Hello and welcome back to another video. It's Declan here. In the previous video, the Christmas message, I recorded that on my new GoPro camera, but I'm having trouble screen recording with the GoPro, so I'm just using my computer camera at the moment for this until I try and figure things out. So in the last video, I talked about the shares I had in three companies, and I'm going to show you the other three that I have now in this video. So if you do like the video, please hit the like and subscribe, and very happy Christmas to you. And I hope you're enjoying the holidays as well. And we've ate and drank plenty like myself and everybody else. So I'll just share my screen with you now. See, it's trading at 62. It's trading at 94.46. And I invested there at roughly about 2 months ago, or that maybe even three, soon after it IPO'd, which was October, and it's trading at 94.46, as you can see now. And I invested 60 into Porsche that time, in about 2 months ago. So you can see it's up 4.62%, or 62.77. So it's up 277. Like, when you go into the higher time frame, I just go into the 4 hourly time frame. And you can see Porsche traded at its peak soon after IPO. It traded up to as far as $110 a share. Yeah, it IPO just before October. So you can see there that it traded over 110. So I was up, yeah, about €12 at that time, but I'm only up now 277 because I've been holding it. So as I said, it's trading now at 94.46. So it's come down a bit. So I'll just go into now the other another company I have shares in, which is Shell. So you can see I have Shell open here on the 1 minute time frame. And when the market opened this morning, you can see the massive green candle and the gap. So it's trading now at 23.35.99. It was opened a few minutes ago. So the European stock market, or the market for Shell, has closed at the moment. So it closed at, yeah, just around, yeah, it's not long closed. So I invested 60 into Shell there about 2 months ago, or a little more, and it's down 0.91%, or it's down 59.45. So I've lost just 55 cents on that trade so far, but I'm still holding it and seeing how it goes. I'm not going to do anything. I have my stop loss set and everything. So that's Shell and Porsche. And now Bank of America is the final one I've shares in. So I just have Bank of America open here. And this is the one I invested the most in. I invested 80 into Bank of America, yeah, roughly around 2 months ago as well. So that's up 3.17%, or it's up to 254. So this also climbed quite a bit. This was up over €10 a week or two after I first invested in it, but it's down now as well. So like, I'm just holding this one as well, and I have my stop loss set as well and everything. So yeah, today I went through my shares in Porsche, my shares in Shell, and my shares in Bank of America. The only one I'm down at the moment is just the 55 cent in Shell, which I'm grateful for. But that's the main thing. Always set your stop losses and only trade with the amount you can afford, and be very careful trading, because as you can see, there are major fluctuations up and down. I'll just go into the 4 hourly chart now for Bank of America. So you can see as well with Bank of America, it was trading, yeah, well up just around the $50 mark at its peak there on the 4 hourly time frame, and it's down to 33.14 now. So yeah, that's I said, just be careful when you're trading. I do enjoy trading, but I'm always cautious of the fluctuations, and I've my stop losses set exact and everything. So I just, as I said, just be very careful, set your stop losses, and make sure you can only trade with the amount you can afford. But trading is enjoyable, and I do enjoy following the analysis of the markets and everything, and making videos. And I hope you guys find it interesting And yeah, I like to keep everyone up to date and keep up to date with myself. It's something I have a keen interest in, and I do enjoy it. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it. And once again, very happy Christmas. I hope you're enjoying the holidays, and I hope you feel well rested. Thanks again for watching, and take care.